Okay, let's get started with Excel. Let's go to the Start menu, Programs, and find Microsoft Excel. And let's start a new spreadsheet. Let's click in A3 and type checks. And select B4 and type in 695. What we're doing here is creating a kind of form that you might use. Say you had a small business and needed to make bank deposits. This has one section that adds up the checks that you've received, and the section below it is used to add up any cash that you've received. Here we're typing in 100. That would be for the $100 and the 50s, 20s, 10s, 5s and single dollar bills. And then we'll select B12. Or type in the total deposits in A20. And we'll say that we had we'd received 5 $100 bills, 7 50s, 6 20s. And then we need to calculate what these are. So let's click in C12 and type the equal sign, click in A12, then the multiply sign, which is an asterisk, and then click in B12 and press enter, and there's the formula. Let's select that again, and you'll see that there's a black square in the bottom right, and when you move the cursor over it, it becomes a dark plus sign, and then we can drag that down, and that copies the formulas for us. Now we need to add up the checks. Again, this time we use the AutoSum formula, which would normally find what you need to add together, but this time we need to select it by clicking on one of the cells and dragging over the rest of them. Now let's add up the cash, again using the AutoSum feature and selecting what we want to add. Then we want to total the deposits, so we click and type the equal sign, click on one of the ones that we want to add, click the plus sign, and click on the other cell and press enter, and there's our total deposits. Okay, let's go to the File menu, Save As, select our folder, Excel 97 Prop, and give the file name as Deposits, and click Save. And then let's close this one by going File menu and close. Now let's open our Excel 97 test file by going, well, let's click the File Open button and double click on the file, and you'll see at the bottom there are 3 tabs. Let's click on Sheet 2 and then Sheet 3. If we right click on one of these VCR buttons, we can select which sheet we want to go to. Let's click on Sheet 1. If we double click on a tab, we can change the name of that. Let's double click and change it to My Sheet and press enter. Now let's save this under a different name. Go File, Save As, and type in Excel 97 Working as the name, and press save. That way you've got the original file if you want to go through it again. Let's save.